Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish this quest. It says increase any kitten's growth in Heartopia. So I think you can either just feed them or play with them. So let's try this on my cat. Okay, and that's pretty much it really. You just need to either feed them, you can feed them, you can play with them, but feeding them is the quickest option to finish the daily quest. Now I'm just going to find Mrs. Joan and complete the quest. Okay, now you're just going to talk to Mrs. Joan to complete the quest. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.